This is my apple tiramisu in a glass. Creamy, aromatic, and absolutely perfect for Christmas. Today I'll show you 3 different ways to make caramel, how to turn it into the perfect apple filling, and how to layer a real mascarpone tiramisu without alcohol. No baking, foolproof, and full of pro tips. You'll find all exact ingredients and measurements down in the video description. This is how I learned it back in culinary school. Spread sugar evenly in the pan, set to medium heat. After a few minutes the sugar starts melting, and now whatever you do, don't stir it wildly. Only when almost everything has melted, start moving it gently in small circles with a wooden spoon. Pro tip, forget the thermometer, it just stresses you out. You can tell by the smell and color when it's ready. Before it gets too dark and burns, turn off the heat and let the residual heat do the work. Now add sliced almonds, stir once, spread on slightly dampened baking paper, let cool, and that's your crunchy almond caramel brittle. Many chefs recommend the water method. 100 grams of sugar, 100 milliliters of water, bring to a boil. The water evaporates and what's left is sugar that caramelizes again. Downside? It takes longer, and in the end you're doing the same as method 1. Personally, if you've got the skill, go straight for the dry method. Pro tip for cleaning, just add some water to the hot pan and bring it to a boil. All the caramel dissolves by itself and your pan is spotless again. Now for this next caramel, we don't want a brittle, we want a smooth caramel sauce. Melt the sugar, let it turn golden brown, then quickly deglaze with apple juice. The cold apple juice will make the sugar clump up. Don't panic, just wait a bit and the heat will dissolve it again. Now add vanilla, cinnamon, star anise and cloves. I've saved the vanilla seeds for the cream later. Then add the apple cubes. Boskoop or any other tart apples work great. Simmer for about 20 minutes until the apples are soft but still have a slight bite. Towards the end, stir in some cranberries or raisins plus lemon zest and a splash of lemon juice. Fish out the spices, let it cool, and here's our finished apple filling, shiny, fragrant, and full of Christmas flavor. Now let's make the tiramisu cream, the proper Italian way. Start with creme fraiche in a bowl, then add sugar and stir until it dissolves. Optional. For a classic Italian version, add egg yolk, raw or gently cooked over a bain-marie, like in the video shown above. Next, scrape in the seeds of a vanilla bean. I use the same one that simmered with the apples. Finally, add the mascarpone. Mix briefly until smooth, don't overmix. The result is not a fluffy whipped cream, but a rich, silky mascarpone cream, just like in Italy. And if you love Italian food, subscribe to my street food channel. I'll soon take you on a food tour across Italy. Now for the layering, crumble some speculoos, cookies or ladyfingers into the bottom of each glass. Brush them lightly with apple juice, just enough for flavor, not so much that they get soggy. Add a layer of mascarpone cream, then the apple filling, spread it evenly. Add another layer of cream. For larger glasses, you can add a thin layer of cookies again, then finish with more cream just below the rim. On top you can dust some cocoa, sprinkle speculoos crumbs, add red berries or that almond brittle from method 1. Cover the glasses and chill for at least 2 to 3 hours, ideally overnight. That's how the layers set beautifully together. Are you team speculoos or team ladyfingers? Write it in the comments. If you enjoyed this recipe, I'd love a subscribe. And check out my Christmas playlist for more foolproof dessert ideas.